right now. Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve their craft. Oftentimes I want to make belts. When I want to make belts, I always dream of having an industrial based stripe cutter. Yes, that machines I've been hunting, looking forward to buy, but not quite long I invent something that can cut my stripe bed just like the industrial stripe bed cutter, which is this. Yeah, this is what I just put together in the workshop after a long savings where I couldn't pick up the industrial stripe bed cutter. I got this, and this has just does the same thing I want the industrial bed cutter to do for me. This cut my bed perfectly the way I want it, and that is why I want to show you how I come about this. Not just how I come about it, but how I use this to cut my stripes. But so you want to see how I use this magic tools to do this magic to this, how I was able to use to cut all these stripes. But out then this video is for you. So come with me to see how I do this. You will not just going to be seeing just me in this video, but you're going to see some other students in this video. I will be explaining how we get to use these tools to them. Okay, right now I've been able to use this to cut to pieces this leather in here. I've been able to use the pieces this leather in here, and these are the result of which I got from that in here. I got that out. Okay, coming back to this can cut the stripes as you've seen the way I use it to cut this out. You've seen the way I've used it to cut this out. So it's, you've seen it, it works. So before you go, I just want to tell you the limitation to this. This has the limitation, and the limitation to this is that, look at this, I've just made this to cut 1.5 inches. In here I have it written on it 1.5 inches. This is not adjustable. That is the major limitation of this. It is not adjustable, and this is just my own invention. I just invented this. So this, it is not adjustable. So if I want to make anything smaller than this, I have to carve something like this out again. And you can see this blade itself is removable. When it's go blunt, I can come in here, remove it like that. So if you want to make something like this, you want it, I'd like you to drop it in the comments column below, and there just drop it. And if you want it, I can come in here and produce this for you to use in your workshop. So if you want it in a smaller size, I'm going to be introducing this to you here. I got it, yes, and I'm set to have this in different sizes. This is going to come in different sizes. So you can come in, this could come in your 1 inch, you can come in your, this could come in 1.25, come in 1.224. It just comes in different sizes, which I've just got to prepare. So I just do this to do a test sample of it, and it has just worked perfect. And at the time it has worked perfect, I'm set to produce this. So if you want that, just drop it in the column below. If I have a good number of people that want this, then I'm ready to make this in number. I'm Oyewale Sunday from Octo's School of Shoemaking. As a first timer, please give thumbs up, subscribe, click, hit the bell button so you can get a notification of our subsequent upload on this platform. So for more crafting tutorials like this, check our website, the link in the description. Go to our website and connect to us one-on-one. No matter what you do, never stop learning.